you doing?
Cooking for guys who like cooking, VI. That's 6, by the way. Yeah.
Learn them. Anyways.
Today, we're going to be cooking up some beef. Let's see what we got. Over here we got some organic beef that
Bam.
Brennon's going to be cooking up.
Harris Ranch All Natural. That's what the nat means. So that's good.
And over here we got some great for grilling steak for grilling and broiling beef. It's what's for dinner.
Looks pretty tasty.
Yeah.
If you like blood, I don't know, hormones. Yeah,
But today we're gonna see hormones or not, which is better. This is the hardest part.
Yummy, yummy.
This feels so gross.
Yeah. Bone. This is bone. Guess I could take this off.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Oh, yum, yum, eat it up. Oh god, this feels so gross.
This knife is really sharp.
So, how's that knife doing?
It's doing pretty good. It's a little too big for this piece of beef, but
yeah, I mean, you really probably should use a smaller knife. I mean,
Yeah.
a little, like, overkill, I think.
Yeah, when it's big like that, you don't get enough accuracy,
yeah.
and it's usually too sharp. And
There's some nice bone marrow.
yummy, yummy.
Chew on that.
Dogs like that.
Yeah, when you take them hunting for beef, just going for it. This knife is so efficient.
Bubbles, 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 bubbles.
It's like a brain. What's meat? What are you looking at? It's like weird. It's like a bubble.
Oh, sweet. That's kind of a seal.
Big blue bubbles.
Should make a meat milkshake.
Actually, we already tried that
Yeah.
in episode 5, the cook-off.
Nick, I don't think liked it too much.
Well, he held it down for a
He's
good...
a little, he's a harsh judge on food though. I thought it was pretty good.
But he did hold it down for at least 30 seconds.
Alright,
There
so
we
we'll
go.
start the grill outside.
And I mean, from the video, you can't even tell that he threw up. I mean, you can hear him, but...
Yeah. This is the pile we're actually gonna cook. This is just the bad stuff.
You should just cook all the bad stuff. So just put...
Alright, let's go check out the grill. Our chefs have donned their proper attire.
Couldn't find any aprons, but I think these work. It's just the same.
Only real chefs wear hats like these.
I'm gonna have to censor this to make it family friendly.
Throw it down.
Wait for a bit. Have this knife out.
Well, I don't know. I wouldn't really want to fight me if I have this.
Yeah, and then you like put it in the... No! And you twist it.
And then I just...
It fell down.
And then I put salt in your eyes.
Then you spilt salt. Hi!
And now our chefs are getting the side dishes ready.
Side dishes. Yeah. I want these seeds.
That looks really nice.
It's really spicy. But this is not a very nice. Not a very spicy pepper, but it's.
I wouldn't expect it to be spicy.
It almost hit my eye. Okay, pepper, let's be real now.
Don't judge me.
You don't know me.
Let that heat up a little bit. Now these little things are done. The trouble is gonna be getting them.
Good, looking good. He actually got all those on the plate the first try.
Yeah. Good thing I got this knife.
Like a knife at me. You're like, hey, Brennan. I see you have a spatula there. Well, about this knife. We can throw these things on there. Maybe hot enough. It's gonna like freak out probably, so. I think we probably should use a larger pan.
Yeah. The carrots are gonna cook a lot faster.
Alright, just throw it all in. I'll just get somebody to smooth it around with like a wooden spoon.
Probably should have gotten a larger frying pan.
Yeah.
You want to chop the peppers more?
Sure, like in the pan.
Ow! It stings.
Ah.
If we were under siege, we could
Throw it at them?
we could drop the boiling oil.
Yeah.
So we could cook stuff and be like, hey, I've got all this really hot vegetable.
Oh, I bet my beef is done.
Check it. I'll saute these things.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Can't tell if it's done or not.
Better safe than sorry.
Yeah. 12 years of culinary school taught me a lot.
Let's check on Chef Brennan.
That's me. I'm sauteing these, smells pretty good too.
Oh. Do you have any garlic?
Oh, garlic, let me...
I added that first.
Here, saute. There's no...
Game over. Look at it just dripping with flavor. That's flavor dripping off of it.
One's not quite done yet. It'll get there.
Get some nice bite-sized chunks. Large bites. We don't savor our food here at Cooking for Guys About Cooking. Can I put the bone on the grill?
Let's grill the bone. Who wants to eat off the bone?
Dude, I'll grill the bone.
Alright, do it.
Make me.
Yeah, I will. Alright, I'm gonna go check on my beef. Will that sit for a second to check on my beef and then be back?
Nice.
Around. don't know what you guys are talking about.
Mission accomplished.
Except the front burner is on like a lot. For his phone. Oh, it's off. Okay, cool. Your bones,
How's dessert coming? Ooh, looks good.
yeah.
Sautéed in canola oil at a low heat to enrich the flavor to a perfectly beautiful texture is our sautéed vegetables.
And on the left, we have a perfectly seasoned chunk of meat. It's beef, it's what's for dinner. Cooked at low temperatures for about 15 minutes. Brings out the flavor. And some nice steak sauce will add the final touch.
And to the right of that, we have a patty of free-range beef, grilled to perfection. Mildly sautéed with pepper and salt. It's all topped off with a nice and rich cherry Coca-Cola.
A perfect pour to release the flavor.
You could top any meal off.
Hi, we're the random taste testers.
Totally
Completely
random.
random.
They pick us off the streets.
Yeah.
Those crazy guys.
But they give us free food.
So that's good.
Looks pretty good too.
Yeah, so I guess we should introduce ourselves.
Yeah, I'm Henry David. I'm from Britain. You can tell by my accent.
I'm Pierre French. I hail from France.
I am Kobayashi.
The one that eats the...
No,
Eater?
no, the other one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Alright, that's right. Alright. Well,
Let's have a taste.
start with the steak there.
Mmm.
So good.
So good. Man. It just doesn't get better.
That's just perfectly, you know,
Oh,
the flavor just oozes
seasoned,
out.
yeah. Let's try this pepper. Mmm. Tastes better than a normal pepper. Not really.
Especially with the sauteed and the
carrots.
The caramelization that went into this.
It's like the carrots and the peppers just set each other off.
They're like they're married.
Yeah.
In an eternal marriage, a space marriage. Honestly, but.
Once they're heated with canola oil, there's no holding them back.
Now, what would you say is the difference between the normal beef and the free-range beef?
Well, the normal beef, they have the cows eat corn, which in turn increases the level of fat in the cow, and then the fat starts to imitate the meat, so there is more fat.
And you get mad cow disease.
Yes. Free range eats grass for the vegetables, so it doesn't have as many fat and has more meat.
I enjoyed both of them. The beef it's what's for dinner beef was pretty good, a little chewy, and the flavor was brought out with a nice A1 steak sauce. Ketchup added to the hamburger made it delectable and flaky. If I had to choose, I would say the organic beef was better.
Well, personally, I prefer hot dogs pretty much inhaled, but this kind of meat was pretty good too. The first kind, the non-free range one, the beef it's what's for dinner, that one was alright. It was a bit chewy, but I must say it couldn't compare to the ground natural free range beef. That one was just a lot better, and the texture was a lot better too, and of course the flavor was better. And it's probably healthier for you too.
This one was kind of hard because the textures of both meats were drastically different. One was ground beef, the other one was a steak. But if I had to choose, usually I like steak more than I like ground beef. But in this case, the ground beef had more of a continuous taste to it as opposed to the steak, which just kind of just tasted like lamb steak with the A1 sauce on it. So my vote's in with the free-range beef. Alright, we got some ice cream, some chocolate, and some milk. It's gonna be turned into a milkshake in a bit.
Alright.
Alright,
Yeah.
alrighty.
Rev the engine.
Alrighty, the first one.
Oh my god.
That's kind of gross. Is it all gonna fit in there? Jesus, didn't make that one all up. Nice. I'm gonna make another one.
Nice. Here at Cooking for Guys Who Like Cooking, sanitary is job number 1. We need to clean this up. We're pretty fast too. Check this out. Break! Thanks for watching Cooking for Guys Who Like Cooking, VI.
That means 6.
Join us next time when we're Dirty Deeds.
Done with the sheep.
Until then,
Bye.
goodbye. Thanks for watching Cooking for Guys Who Like Cooking, VI.
That means 5. See you next time.
Are you serious? Here at Cooking for Guys Who Like Cooking, sanitary is job number 1. Grammar are job number 2.
Counting is job number 368. A review on Sweeney Todd had a good story, just everything in a musical I hate was in it. It was just really awkward dialogue. And But it had a good story, though. I mean, if this wasn't a musical, I might like it.
Well, that was good.
Yes, it was.
Wow, what a great dinner.
Is that bone still out on that?
Ooh, it's almost done. Just the way I like it. Medium well.
I'm gonna go get a plate. Be right back.
Yummy, yummy.
My favorite. It hurts. Ooh, that part was good.
I love my meat.
Actually, it tastes really good right there. Everywhere else, not so much. Got protein.
So what do you think is better, the hormone beef, the free-range beef, or the bone?
I'm gonna have to go with the bone on this one. They were both pretty good, but my personal favorite was the bone. Well done. Left on the grill for about 45 minutes on high heat. It's great. Just nibble off it and wish I could have another one.